This is the 17th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. Is hard as 7F questions. Number 17 reads, function f is defined by this, and it's looking for the x-intercept. X-intercept, you got to know is where y equals 0. I can just plug this into Desmos. When I do, what you notice is that you don't see the line. So here's it's plugged in right here. If you zoom out, then you'll see the line. Just roll over the x-intercept, it's 12, 0, mark your answer, and move on. Alternatively, you could, since you should know that the x-intercept is where y equals 0, plug 0 in for y. In place of equals, put a tilde. In place of x, put x1. And then Desmos will solve it for you. x1 is 12. And then lastly, you could do it by hand by just adding 84 to both sides and then dividing both sides by 7. Any one of those three ways, you get 12. 0. See the full video. Check us out on YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist, Test 2 Module 2B. The shorter video is just under these longer videos. Have a great day.